Transcription is one of the ways you can actually start making passive income online if you're a newbie in the online space. It's one of the fastest skills you can learn out there. And the interesting thing about it is the fact that you also do not have to perform this transcription yourself. In this video, I will be showing you how you can get transcription jobs, how you can pass your transcription test, and more so, what you can use to pass your transcription test. Now, all you have to do is to stick around and watch this video up until the end. And at the end of this video, I have a gift for you, and that is where I'm going to be showing you how you will be able to do these transcription jobs without actually flexing a muscle. What that simply means is that you'll be able to successfully do this job without having to do it yourself, and you'll get paid eventually at the end of the month. All you have to do is to use a tool I'm going to be showing you. Now, very quickly, let me run you through a couple transcription companies that you might be interested in, and then you can choose whichever one you want and then go on to register and sign up with them. Right now, there are two ways you can work as a transcriber. One is by working as a freelancer, and the other is by working a full-time job. Now, for a freelancer, you can start with Upwork. You can see you find the best transcription job here. Now, for the sake of time, I'm not going to be dwelling so much on either of these companies now, but you must also understand that this point here, Upwork, is one very interesting place where you can get transcription job. You can see ethic transcription, quite interesting transcription job everywhere. You can see Goradi videos, need subtitles, requirements. These are all transcription jobs that are requiring people to actually transcribe for them. Now, all you have to do is to come here and send in your proposal, and then you'll be able to actually land this job. Now, there is another website which is called TranscribeMe.com. Now, it says become a freelancer and start earning anywhere. This also earns you the opportunity to be a freelancer. You monetize your downtime. So this simply means that you work when you're free. You do not have to work under some form of schedule. If you have a 9-to-5 job, that's very fine, absolutely fine. You can keep your 9-to-5 job and do this by the side when you're free. You can see it's 24/7, meaning that you can work anytime. Now, the starting price here is $15 per hours, $15 to $22 per audio hour, and an average of $250 monthly earning for people who transcribe here. And special teams get to earn as high as $60 to $70 plus per audio hour. Now, audio hour simply means transcribing an audio that is worth 1 hour. Now, it does not mean you transcribe just one audio for one audio that is 1 hour long. No, it simply means that you most likely would have transcribed 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. When they compare all the minutes of time you have transcribed audios, it amounts to 1 hour, and then you get paid this amount of money. So it simply means that you get work as you pay. So if you want more money, you got to work more. All right. So let's not dwell more on TranscribeMe.com. For you to register with TranscribeMe.com, all you have to do is come here and click on Start Freelancing, and then you go on to register. The next website is actually SpeakRight.com. Now, it says transcription jobs positioning open. Now, SpeakRight.com, just the way TranscribeMe operates, is the same way SpeakRight.com operates. You can see that says what you can earn, about $450 per month. Now, there is another website called the Scribby.com. Scribby.com also offers you an opportunity for you to become a freelance transcriber, and also there are a couple of companies like that. There is Rev. Now, this is one of my best recommendations. Rev is one of my best recommendations. This is the reason behind this is because this is a company I have worked with. This is a company I trust. This is a company a lot of people I know have worked with and trust. Right? So it's trusted and all that stuff. So yeah, you can actually do that. You can actually work with this company. So the next company I want to show you is actually ZipRecruiter.com. So ZipRecruiter is actually quite an interesting company, right? It's also a company I know a lot of people have worked with. You can see they have currently about 124,000 transcription jobs. So there is literally job everywhere. This company is looking for a transcriptionist, So you just go on, and this medical transcriptionist, remote transcription specialist, bilingual AI transcriptionist. So whatever interests you or whatever your skill is good at, you can do that. Now, how do you get to pass this transcription test? It's a very interesting question. How do I pass transcription test without having to spend? I'm trying as much as possible to make this video as short as possible so that you get the value and just apply, instead of just making a very long ass video and then you don't get to watch it till the end and don't get value. Very, very simple. So there is this AI called Descript.com. Now, Descript.com is a website where you get to transcribe. You can see there is business and all that. You don't have to register for free. You don't have to register. You can just get started for free. You can see, but for free, it says you have 1 transcription hour per month. 1 transcription hour per month. All right. So this simply means that here you get to, it says invite additional team members if you want to. I don't want to do that. So all you have to do with this website here is to actually paste your audio here, or I drop your audio here, and it's going to transcribe your audio into text. You can see it says upload video file. Now, upload video file or paste whatever file you're having here. You can just drop your file here, or you paste the link here, right? Or you record an audio if you might. Sometimes if it's an audio that you don't have a way to upload it, you can just come here and click on audio and then apply it, and then it's going to just transcribe for you easily. So you can see, my friend, you do not have to actually perform this transcription job yourself. All you have to do is to get the job, put it on this website, on this AI, and it is going to transcribe it for you. If you feel like I gave you value for your time, you might want to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and share so that more people will get to see it. Without further ado, I want you to get started and operating, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.